Hey animators! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC or Mac, safely and directly from Adobe's official website. Whether you're creating 2D cartoons, interactive designs, or motion graphics, this method is 100% legitimate and perfect for testing the software before buying. Step 1. Go to Adobe's official site. Start by checking the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Adobe's official Animate page. No third-party downloads, no risks. Step 2. Start the free trial. Once you're on the page, click Free Trial. Adobe offers a 7-day trial of the full version of Animate, giving you access to every feature: timeline animation, vector brushes, rigging tools, and more. Step 3. Sign in or create an Adobe account. You'll be asked to log in or create an Adobe account. Enter your email and payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Step 4. Download and install. Adobe will prompt you to install the Creative Cloud app. Once it's installed, go to the Apps tab, find Adobe Animate, and click Install. The setup will start automatically. Step 5. Launch Animate. When the installation finishes, open Animate from your desktop or Creative Cloud. You're now ready to start animating during your trial. Perfect for learning, testing workflows, or creating your next animation project. And that's it! You've got Adobe Animate up and running.